back. Father's Day is going to be very soon, so let's learn a song for this special day. But first, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel and let's get started. The chords for this one are really easy. We're going to play G major, but instead of playing our pinky on the 3rd fret of the E string, we're going to play our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Then C major, D major, and in the chorus we're going to use E minor. The strumming pattern is going to be down, up, slap, down, up, slap, down, up, slap, down, up, slap. When we're on the D chord, we can play the first time, second time. Okay? So instead of, we will spice it up a little bit. Or you can stick to the down, up, slap, down, up, slap. It doesn't like right on working, doesn't need mine, so let it day. Every time I won't need stay there. He's my Superman. Some folks don't believe in heroes, 'cause you haven't met my dad. Build me a house in the arms of a tree. You don't need to drive and to fight and to dream. When you look in my eyes, I hope you can see.